He said he was going to show us a special symbol just for us to see. But don't worry, there are cameras all over Heartland. So let's check in with him now and see if he'll send us that symbol. Oh no, it looks like something is wrong. What's going on, Rumble? Where is Zobo? He's been captured by Ricky and Joey, two of Dr. Alma's henchmen. Oh, thanks, Rumble. Let me see if I can hack him and help out as far as I can. Oh no, it looks like he's trapped in her lab and they drained all of his power. Oh, poor Zobo. aquariums. My friends definitely love that.